Hello, this is Josh from the Little Arms team, here to walk you through the downloading and launching of Zephyr Drone Simulator. I'll walk you through how to download and install Zephyr Drone Simulator, as well as launch scenarios and complete assignments. If you haven't already created your Zephyr account and you need help, check out one of our other videos, the Student Learning Management System tutorial. In order to download the Zephyr Sim, you need to download the Zephyr launcher. There's two easy ways to do this once you're in your dashboard. You can go to Downloads and click whatever operating system it is you're downloading it for, so Windows, or you can go to the Get Zephyr button in the top right, and clicking either of these will start the download for the Little Arms launcher setup. Once this downloads, you're going to want to open that file, and you'll immediately be prompted if you want to allow this to make changes to your device. Of course, click Yes. Shouldn't take very long to install, and once you do, just click Finish and you're good to go. After installation, the launcher should automatically open, and you'll see this sign-in screen. Click Remember Me if your login details you want to be remembered, and then click Sign In. This will open a new browser tab, where you will, of course, enter your email and password. After entering your email and password, you'll want to open the Little Arms launcher again, and you'll see you've been logged in. From here, if you don't have the sim already installed, there would be an install button where you see Launch for Me. Click that, and you'll see a progress bar immediately go here while it says updating, and once that's complete, Zephyr is installed and you're ready to fly. Other quick, important buttons to know here: if you ever want to revert to a past version of Zephyr, you can do that right here. As well as if you wanted to see any of the settings, you can here. You now have Zephyr Drone Simulator fully installed on your machine. The next thing to do is to launch. Clicking the big green button will start the launching process, and soon Zephyr Drone Simulator will open on your machine. Once you are loaded in the homepage, you'll see a couple options. First, select your role. If you're a student, you'll see Student. If you're an institution admin, you'll see that and can select that. You'll now see the main menu, or you can go to Settings. You can change audio settings, you can change your resolution, full screen, plenty of options here. You can also make sure your controllers are working. If there are any issues with mapping, you can change mapping. And then you can go to scenarios. From here, you'll see all available scenarios. You'll notice on this particular account, since I don't have licenses, there's a shopping cart on the variety of scenarios I don't have. Now, scenarios without any shopping carts means you have it, so you can go ahead and select one, hit Load Scenario. After loading the scenario, you'll see the different modules. Every single scenario will have a couple different modules that can take you from free flight, just flying around the scenario, to actual training outcomes, like exploring the scenario. It can also be challenges, fun challenges to test your skills as a pilot. After you've selected the proper scenario, click Select Module, and then you can see all the drones you have available to yourself. Much like scenarios, shopping carts will be on any of the drones not available to you, but you can choose to select whichever drone you would like to fly, select drone, and now you're in. Once you're in a scenario, you'll see these two orange arrows dropping down bottom left and bottom right. Hold your sticks where they are located until you see the props start to spin. Let go, you've powered on the drone, and you're ready to fly. An important note for students: if you need to fly a specific assignment or module in the simulator, first you're going to want to go to the Learning Management System and view your assignments. For today, I'm going to want to do the Community Park Basic Exploration. So this means I need to go to the Community Park scenario and then the Basic Exploration module. I can see here I also need a minimum score of 250, and I need to spend at least 15 seconds in this module in order for it to count as completed. I also need it done by March 27th, so I need to make sure I've done this all before then. If we go back to the simulator, this is what it would look like to attempt that particular assignment. I would go to Community Park. I would then go to Basic Exploration. I would select whatever drone I've like, because my instructor has not told me otherwise. I would then fly that entire module, so I'll do that really quickly and cut for time. Now that I've completed this module, I should quickly do a check and make sure I completed all of the requirements. I needed a minimum score of 250 out of 500. I achieved that. I also needed a minimum time of 15 seconds, and with a minute, I also achieved that. I can now hit continue and return to main menu. I can now go back to the learning management system and double check that my attempt has been completed. I'll see the yes in the completed column, and I know I am good to go and no longer need to worry about this assignment. Thank you for watching and using Zephyr Drone Simulator. If you're looking for more drone content, please tune into our live streams at 1 p.m. Eastern every Thursday for drone news and sim updates.